Welcome to the Science of Sales, where we teach you sales and marketing tips in under 3 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get actual leads for your business from YouTube rather than just getting traffic. When we started with our video channel, we were so excited when we started getting traffic, and we kept on making more videos and kept on getting more traffic. But the problem was that it was very hard to measure what was the return on investment from all our videos. We were getting lots of traffic, but how much of that traffic was actually converting into leads? That's when we tried having links in the description. And now every video we do has some sort of offer or some sort of benefit for the customer, which they can now convert on at the end of the video. Even in this video at the end, there is that same offer. So it's hugely important when you create your brand channel or your YouTube channel to have some sort of content piece which is in exchange for someone's content details to actually get leads rather than just traffic from viewers. Hope that helps. If you want to see exactly how to implement this for yourself, check out the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like or leave us a comment and be sure to subscribe. Thanks so much.